Okay, today we are going to be customizing our cursor. So what we're going to do is we are going to search Sweezy cursors. So let's do that. So we are going to type Sweezy cursors right there. Enter. Then you're going to see this one. Scroll down until you reach this one right here, new custom cursors for Windows. Then it'll take you to this site. This site will also be the link in my description, and by the way, the link is right here if you want to copy that. Okay, at this website there's literally like unlimited cursors. You can also search them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search rainbow, since I want a rainbow cursor. Okay, let's see which one I want. There's a bunch of ads, by the way. Okay, I think I want this one right here. Once you pick it, we're gonna press this download button. Then you press this complete path button. Then it'll download for you. Let's go to it. You can click that little thing, and then let's go to downloads. Then it's right here. You know how it says zipped at the end? We're gonna make that not zipped. So we're gonna right click that, press extract all, then press extract. Then we can go to downloads again. Then it's right here. There's a zipped one right here and an unzipped one. You can click the zip one and just delete it since we don't need it. Okay, then we just have the normal one right here. Now we are gonna go to our settings right here. Now we're gonna go to the mouse settings so we can search mouse. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Mouse. And then we can scroll down. Once we type mouse, press enter, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to this additional mouse settings. Click it, and this little window will pop up. Then we're going to press this pointers tab at the top, and then these are our cursors. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click the normal select, then it'll be up here. Okay, now we can minimize settings, and then we'll get to File Explorer. We're going to drag this pride arrow. Oops, where do my mouse settings go? Oh yes, right here. Okay, then we're going to drag it over here. You can just move it right there. Then it'll just have this little window, just press continue. Then a little loading screen will complete. And then our arrows are right here. We can double click it, then it'll open it. We can click our normal cursor once, press open, then press apply. Then now I have this cool rainbow cursor, but we're not done yet. Okay, now we're gonna do the same with this one. So double click it, then it'll automatically bring you to this. Then we can click the normal one, press open, and apply. Okay, now we have this awesome pointer finger. So thank you for watching all from my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.